Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to use some of these Photoshop effects in our Photoshop resources bundle. In this video we're going to look at text, and if we go in here, this is our USB, the WMFP stick, and here are all the list of files, and we're just going down here to the text effect. And so we have here a whole bunch, 10 bundles plus the extras, and let's just go through and have a look at some of them. So these come in layers again, and remember, in all these videos we're just showing you the really simple way to use Photoshop. You don't need to do a lot of the mini adjustments, it's just a drag and drop system, and we do this by using these PSDs. So if I open this PSD, it's loading straight off the USB. However, you can add them onto your hard drive, and let me just blow this up a little bit. So here are all these effects, and let me just drag it down here. So to get this effect, so we look at slime, and I'll just create a new window. Remember, these are all layers, and here they are here on the right. If I just drag this layer onto here, you can see I've now got that same effect. Now by using my text tool and highlighting it, now it's going to replace the font because I don't actually have that exact font on my computer. So then I can go and choose one maybe a bit closer to it. And so now I have that slimy. And I can now type in and get a similar effect. So let's try another one quickly. Let's try this one, Cheerios. So we go down and we find Cheerios, which is here. I just click on it to make sure it's the right one. That's right. So we click on the eye to turn them on and off. I'll drag it onto here, use my text tool, replace. And obviously you can go find a whole bunch of fonts to use with this, and then we can try it with all sorts of different effects as well. So a little bit different, but we could go and find a font in, say, a place called Da Fonts, and we can change all those things. So that's how you can simply make really good quality text just by dragging and dropping. Let's have a look at a few more. So we have a 3D text maker, a sticker maker, premium metal layers. So if we just have a look at these quickly and we go large icon, you can see it's exactly the same system again. 3D logo maker, sketch text maker, assortment of a whole range of styles. Now these are interesting, so let's have a look at this for you. So these are what we call styles. Styles are things we can add to our Photoshop. So if we went into edit, we go down here to preset manager, and here we have things called brushes and styles, and we'll look at these later. But styles are things you can add that you can then type text and apply that style. So these are a whole bunch of styles. So rather than load these up, because here you have the actual styles, you could add all these to your styles menu. So let's just create a text and call it QUNTIN. Let's just choose something a bit. There we go. Now if I want to apply a style to this text, I can go up here and add styles to my menu, and you can see here there's a whole bunch of styles. So let's just click on this one, and as you can see, it's changed the style and the text. just by clicking on some buttons and using all these different styles, I can create a whole range of new text. So to add those styles, all I do is go to Preset Manager, Styles, and Load. Go to my USB, Text Effects, Styles, and add that ASL file. And I'd have all those styles in my Photoshop. What else have we got here? Here's another range of styles you can use. And these are like punched gel styles, metallic styles, pop-up, soft noise, etc. Here we have bonuses, and these are called sparkles, so they're pretty nice little things. Again, all we've got to do is drag and drop. So we've got these sparkles here, and again I can turn them on and off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my background here with black. Just use my paint bucket, and if you right click you can see you can also do gradients, but we'll just use the paint bucket and we'll turn it into black. Now I can use this style here, and let's just drag it over here, and now I can add that onto the end of my name. I'll put it up here so it's on top. Might make it a little bit bigger. So then I could add that star there. I could just put it behind my name a little bit, so now it's a star. So just by using various little bits and pieces and dragging and dropping, you can create amazing little effects in just minutes. My name's Quentin Brown from Web Marketing for Profit. If you'd like to buy all these products and learn even more with our tutorials, be sure to come to wmfpstick.com and pick up your Photoshop resources, ATN, PDS, PSD and training USB that we will send anywhere in the world free of charge.